Presenting the Ford 2016 Escape S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: rear view camera, rear view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, phone voice activated, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, security remote, anti-theft alarm system, multi-function display and phone wireless data link Bluetooth. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.